Hey guys, Samsung is making a perfect phone for us. Already S24 series is a beast. We've got some incredible leaks and surprises. Let's take a look. So design-wise, it looks different, right? New leaks coming in that S25 Ultra may resemble the corners of Galaxy Note 7. Right now, as we have seen, the Samsung's Ultra series over the years, the rounded corners become more sharp. Because of that, people are complaining about the sharp design. That's why S25 Ultra is said to have a rounded corners. Let me know what you think about this. There was a design leak before this one. I've created this model, and if you notice, the sides are flat rather than curved on the current S24 Ultra. Additionally, the corners are also slightly curved, but not a curve, still looks sharp. And looking at the back, the design of the camera module is more square shape. Let me know guys what you think about this design. Now the current concept has more rounded shape with flat sides as well. It is based on various concept design from different sources. For now, there is no any design leaks about the standard S25 or Plus model. Any design leaks emerge, I'll show you. For that, subscribe and stay tuned. Let's also take a look at the front. So the S25 Ultra is getting even thinner bezels. If you don't know, iPhone 16 Pro is said to get a world's slimmest bezel. So definitely Samsung don't stay behind in terms of display department. We can expect even thinner bezels on the S25 Ultra. Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to get a 6.8 to 6.9 inch display size. Even the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max is also getting a larger screen size. So yeah, every phones are getting larger in size. Let me know what you think about the display size. Let's talk about the cameras. The cameras are said to be upgraded. Currently, the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a 200 megapixel lens and a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens, a 50 megapixel telephoto lens with 5x zoom, and a 10 megapixel lens with 3x zoom. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 50 megapixel ultra-wide lens along with a 50 megapixel lens with 3x optical zoom. There would be a significant upgrade. Already S24 Ultra is performing great with its specs. Every year there is improvements in quality because of the new sensors and advanced processing for the better quality photos and videos. No doubt S25 Ultra will also be great. Next, Galaxy S25 Ultra will get a Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, but some rumors are also saying that we might also get to see Exynos 2500. Let's see what happens. We know Exynos is not that powerful like the Snapdragon. Even right now, Exynos and Snapdragon day-to-day tasks seem similar, but when it comes to heavy gaming, heavy tasks and battery performance, in Exynos version falls behind. However, with the Exynos, there are rumors that AI performance will be great. According to a leak from GSM Arena, the Exynos 2500 might incorporate Google's TPU for AI acceleration. TPUs have been a part of Pixel phones for several years and are integrated into the Tensor chipset co-developed by Samsung. These TPUs are among several types of AI accelerators and are heavily used in Google products.
The TPU, our on-device AI engine that we've custom designed to run Google's AI models efficiently.
Despite Google's processors not being exceptionally powerful, their features and AI tasks run very smoothly. Samsung is making efforts to make its Exynos chip more comparable to Snapdragon, but there is a still need for further optimization power for Exynos. As Samsung pushes more on-device AI capabilities to its phones, faster specs are needed across the board. That means the phone will need better RAM, quicker processor, and of course faster storage, which is why UFS 4.1 is expected, which seems like a good step. Currently, S24 Ultra uses UFS 4. So, speaking about the AI, Apple recently announced its Apple Intelligence on June 10. Finally, Apple has revealed its AI features, and they're awesome. Google also recently launched its Gemini, so the Pixel 9 series and Samsung Galaxy S25 lineup are even going to get more AI features. Recently launched Z Fold 6 has the newest AI features. Let's take a look.
This is a new Galaxy AI feature that we call Sketch to Image. It was created specifically to harness the power of AI to help bring your imagination to life. Simply sketch on a blank canvas. Galaxy AI understands what you're trying to draw and generates images in different styles for you to choose.
So it will be interesting to see how these major brands compete against each other when it comes to AI. Next, already S24 Ultra is great in terms of battery performance. Moreover, S25 Ultra is said to increase from 5000 mAh to 5500 mAh, along with the 65 watt of fast charging. Right now, S24 Ultra has the support for 45 watt of fast charging. Now, let's take a roundout of the improvements. Design change, more durable titanium frame, thinner bezels, better cameras, better processor, fast UFS storage, up to 16 gigs of RAM is expected, fast charging, more AI features. So this is it for now regarding everything about the Galaxy S25 Ultra. There will be even more leaks. Right now there are only leaks about the S25 Ultra, not S25 or Plus model. Definitely I will show the design and everything about the Galaxy S25 lineup. Subscribe and stay tuned.